Hi friends, today we'll discuss about interest calculation methods. So my scenario is loan amount is 5 lakhs, rate of interest is 8.5% per annum, interest is calculated monthly. So interest calculation methods are standard by standard, actual by actual, actual by standard. You can go for more combinations also, standard by actual, like that also one more combination you can go, but I am giving example for 3 combinations. So what is standard by standard? Standard by standard means it may be January, any month. It may be you take any month, days I will take it as 30, per year days will be 360, means 30 by 360 means 1 by 12. So every month, whether it is a leap year or it is a 31 days month, or it may be 30 days or 29 days, 28 days, but I will calculate 1 bar 12. So in standard calculation method, 5 lakhs rupees, 8.5% per annum, whatever be the days are 31, 29, 31, 30, but my calculation is simple. 5 lakhs into 8.5% by 12. So every month I get standard interest 21,250 for 6 months, and my total amount is 5 lakhs. Total is 5,21,250. So what is actual? Actual means actual days in month, actual days in year. So January 31 days and year 360 days, 366 days. Now you take February, it is 29 days, March 31, April 30, May 31, 30. So every month calculation will change. You see the calculation, 5 lakhs same amount, rate of interest is same, but calculation method is changed. Now every month interest is different. Now it is 21,133 rupees 88 paisa. Third one is actual by standard. Actual means actual days in month. If you take January month 31, so because February 29 days because of leap year. So all this, but standard means 365 days. Every year, whatever it may be, leap year, normal year, I will take it as a 365 days. Now calculated interest based on the 365 days. Previously it was a leap year, I have taken a 366 days, but actual by standard means 365 days. Now you see the calculation. Same 5 lakhs, but the calculation method is different, and you got 21,191 rupees. Now you see the final difference. For the same amount, same rate of interest, if you calculate by standard, it is a different interest you got it, actual by actual, different interest, and actual by standard, it is different interest. So standard means standard by standard means 1 by 12. Actual by actual means actual days in month, actual days in year. Actual by standard means actual days in the month, standard will be 365 days. Thank you friends.